Start. Withdrawal from prosecution. The public prosecutor or assistant public prosecutor in charge of a case may, with the consent of the court at any time before the judgment is pronounced, withdraw from the prosecution of any person either generally or in respect of any one or more of the offences for which he is tried, and upon such withdrawal, if it is made before a charge has been framed, the accused shall be discharged in respect of such offence or offences, It is if it is made after a charge is framed or when under CPC, no charge is required, he shall be acquitted in respect of such offence or offences, provided that where such offence was against any law relating to a matter to which the executive power of the Union extends, or was investigated by the Delhi Special Police Establishment under Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, 1946, or involved the misappropriation or destruction of or damage to any property belonging to the central government, or was committed by a person in the service of the central government while acting or purporting to act in the discharge of his official duty, and the prosecutor in charge of the case has not been appointed by the central government, he shall not, unless he has been permitted by the central government to do so, move the court for its consent to withdraw from the prosecution, and the court shall, before according consent, direct the prosecutor to produce before it the permission granted by the central government to withdraw from the prosecution. Section 321 CRPC gives power to the public prosecutor or assistant public prosecutor to withdraw from the prosecution of any person, The scope and ambit of Section 321 has been considered time and again by the Honorable Supreme Court, under the scheme of the code, prosecution of an offender for a serious offence is primarily the responsibility of the executive, The withdrawal from the prosecution is an executive function of the public prosecutor, The discretion to withdraw from the prosecution is that of the public prosecutor and none else, and so, he cannot surrender that discretion to someone else, The government may suggest to the public prosecutor that he may withdraw from the prosecution, but none can compel him to do so, The public prosecutor may withdraw from the prosecution not merely on the ground of paucity of evidence, but on other relevant grounds, as well as in order to further the broad ends of public justice, public order and peace, The broad ends of public justice will certainly include appropriate social, political and economic purposes, The public prosecutor is an officer of the court and responsible to the court, The court performs a supervisory function in granting its consent to the withdrawal, The court's duty is not to reappreciate the grounds which led the public prosecutor to request withdrawal from the prosecution, but to consider whether the public prosecutor applied his mind as a free agent, uninfluenced by irrelevant and extraneous considerations, The court has a special duty in this regard, as it is the ultimate repository of legislative confidence in granting or withholding its consent to withdrawal from the prosecution, फ्रेंड्स ये 413 पे हुआ है, ठीक है। ये डिक्टेशन आपको कैसा लगा बताइएगा कमेंट करके, और ये 120 प्लस की स्पीड थी, ठीक है। और क्या कहते हैं कि इसे पसंद आए तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा इस चैनल को, क्योंकि सब्सक्रिप्शन में कोई भी पैसा नहीं लगता है और इससे इनकरेजमेंट मिलेगा मुझे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, ठीक है। और क्या कहते हैं जो भी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हो मुझे बताइएगा। चलते हैं फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलेंगे। थैंक यू।